Hi, I'm Dave Shanabarger, HVAC Industry Specialist for Browning Belt Drives. In this video, we're going to go through the completed application data sheet and show you exactly how to select a new optimized drive using the Browning EDGE selection software. To use EDGE, you'll need to sign up and log in. Once we've logged into EDGE, you can start by selecting the V-Belt Drives Design option. Begin by inputting the current drive description into the EDGE interface. It's important to remember to use a unique description for each drive that you will be retrofitting. This will help to distinguish between specific units in the future. Next, input the required shaft parameters. These include the current motor or driver speed, the required fan shaft or driven speed, as well as shaft diameters for each. In this case, we'll be selecting a fixed speed drive, so be sure that fixed speed is selected. If you're designing a variable speed drive, utilizing variable or multiple variable pitch shifts, be sure to select whether you would like to design at the driver's mid or max speed rating. For more information on variable pitch or multiple variable pitch shifts, see the Browning variable pitch shift video. Moving on to the unit of measure or power, input the current motor horsepower and service factor. If you're unsure of the required service factor, click on Service Factor Suggestions for help. To determine the required service factor, start by selecting the type of driven machine. In this case, we're working with a fan over 10 horsepower. Once you've selected the type of driven machine, you must analyze the type of driving unit as well as the hours of operation to determine the required service factor. The next step is inputting minimum and maximum center distance allowable. For more information on obtaining minimum and maximum center distance values, see our Browning Measuring Center Distance video. The following section, entitled Options, is for selecting any options you'd like to apply. In this case, the Enable Drives Option tab can be used to limit shiv diameters, the number of grooves, and many other drive parameters. This can also be helpful when sizing a drive that has to fit inside an existing unit or belt guard. Now that we've limited the Drive Options tab to only allow for selection utilizing the more efficient notch style belt, we can go ahead and save those settings. And then click Solve. And EDGE will provide up to 10 optimized solutions ranked by relative cost. By clicking the highlighted drive number, you can view a bill of materials and technical specifications for that drive. Now that you've selected your optimized drive solution, contact your nearest Browning authorized wholesaler and get started today. And keep in mind, if you have questions anywhere along the way, contact Application Engineering.